applies to commercial vehicles. I'm traveling at the common law. I'm not involved in commerce.
Okay, are you aware that the speed limit through here is 40 miles an hour?
Speed limit in Texas for common law travelers is as fast as is safe for the conditions therein existing at the time.
How convenient for you. You just so happen to be a quote unquote common law traveler, and for the common law travelers, pretty much there are no rules. There's no speed limits. There's nothing. Yeah, right.
Okay, well...
Are you accusing me of doing something unsafe?
Well, sir, I'm explaining to you that you're going 10 miles over the speed limit on...
The speed
a wet
limit
and rainy
applies.
road.
What kind of speed limit are you talking about?
A Texas speed limit, if you were to pay attention back there, it says 40 miles an hour.
Talking about a posted speed sign?
Yes, sir, I am.
That sign doesn't apply to me.
Okay, well, do you have your driver's license and insurance?
Officer, I hope that was a rhetorical question, because we can already tell by this man's responses that he clearly doesn't have a license and registration. He thinks the rules don't apply to him.
I'm not driving under the auspices of a commercial vehicle, of a driver's license.
So you don't have a driver's license?
I have a driver's license, but I'm not using it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So you're not going to give me your driver's license? Is that what you're telling me?
I'm telling you that I'm not using a driver's license. You're
Then what are
you're
you
asking
using?
me for a commercial
this
driver's license. Are you aware of Title 7 of the Transportation Code? Posted speed signs? Section 201.904 says right here, for commercial motor vehicles. Am I a commercial motor vehicle involved in commerce?
You're a motor vehicle traveling on a public roadway, so you must abide by the signs that are posted for the speed limit through here.
I'm not involved in
Which
transportation.
you were speeding through here.
But you're pulling me over under transportation code.
I'm pulling you over because you were speeding.
I'm not speeding.
Yes, you were speeding.
No, I was not.
Yes, you were. I need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
I'm not using a driver's license.
Huh?
I will show you my driver's license.
I need to take your driver's license back.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
I am listening to you.
Okay, listen to me. I'm going to challenge you verbally on this. Before I give you a driver's license, I want to inform you that as a peace officer sworn to uphold the Constitution and the laws of the United States, okay, you are acting outside the authority of your agency, imposing on me a transportation code that does not apply to me in this activity. I have shown you...
Sir, just shut up and give the officer your driver's license already.
Under Title 6 Roadways, Subtitle A, Texas Department of Transportation, Chapter 201, Subsection 904, Speed Signs. Did you read this?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of this law?
Yes, sir, and I'm asking you for your driver's license and proof of insurance.
For what purpose?
The purpose that you were speeding on a public roadway.
What are you intending to do with my driver's license? Under Title 5 and the 1974 Privacy... Let me just ask you this. Am I under arrest?
No, you're not under arrest.
Okay, well then under Title 5 and the 1974 Privacy Act, I have the right to two kinds of information before I give you any of my personal information. Okay, I have the right to your commercial professional ID. I have the right to verify your identification as a peace officer. I don't want to see a badge.
Identification of a peace officer.
What
I'm
is-
in a police officer
I can buy.
vehicle.
I can buy that on eBay for $25.
You can buy one of these on eBay that says a T on eBay.
Do you have your professional ID on you?
Yes, sir, I do.
Why don't you let me have it? I would like to call the 800 number and verify your identity.
Not gonna happen! No, not gonna happen!
I need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
I would like to see your identification first.
Sir, look. I-
status check.
Do you have a deputy that's available right now? sir. I need to see your driver's license. and proof
I
of
don't think you
insurance.
need to see it.
Yes, sir. I do need to see it.
I don't think you do. I need to see your ID. I would like to see your ID.
Sir,
Are you refusing to ID yourself?
sir, I'm Officer Morgan from the Teague Police Department. Whenever I
Officer
came up
Morgan from the Teague Police Department.
here- Yes.
Are you refusing to identify yourself by
am I
giving me your professional ID? You
I can
say you
show
have it
you-
on
I
you.
can show you
I
my
want to
profe-
have it in my hand,
I
sir.
want to have your driver's license in my hand, sir. You were breaking the law. You were speeding.
I understand what you want, and I understand that you have a professional ID, and I want you to understand. I'm challenging you verbally, okay? And I have a First Amendment right to do that, to challenge you verbally and identify you before I give you any of my ID. I've not broken any law.
Yes, sir. You were speeding.
There's no crime. I was
That
not
is a
speeding.
crime.
You are attempting to impose on me a
Sir.
transportation code that does not apply to me.
And sir, why exactly do you think that transportation code doesn't apply to you? Oh, that's right, because you're traveling and not driving, right? These people are out of their freaking minds.
So you're saying that you can go as fast as you can anywhere you want to in the state
I'm
of
saying
Texas?
that I have the right and the obligation to be safe, to do no
Okay.
harm.
The thing is, okay, first off, if you're trying to be safe and everything, right now, can you tell that the roads are wet and slippery? It's cold outside. They could possibly ice over, and you're going over the speed limit.
You're accusing me of going how fast?
You were going 52 in a 40.
52. You're saying I was doing 52 and a 40 on a roadway that is almost has no traffic. It is not raining. Yes, the roads are wet to some degree. The road is in great condition. I did nothing, absolutely nothing unsafe. I didn't swerve. I didn't weave. I didn't come
were
close
still
to
spe-
anyone.
Sir, you were
There's
still
nothing. You
I need to
you
see your
are.
driver's license and proof of insurance.
In my opinion, this back and forth has gone on for far too long. This officer needs to take control of this traffic stop.
When you identify yourself,
I've already identified myself.
No, you
as
have
a
not.
Police officer. Yes, I have.
I want your professional ID in my hand.
I want your driver's license in my hand, sir.
I
You're
understand
speeding.
that. Under Title V of the 1974 Privacy Act, I have the right to your ID first. I have the right to know what you're going to do with that information.
With
Are
your
you
information?
attempting to violate my protected Fourth and Fifth Amendment right to be free from unwarranted searches and seizures of my person, property, and paper on a public highway
No, sir. I'm
without
not-
justification?
I have not
Are you
violated
saying
that
you
right.
can have that information without telling me what you're going to do with it?
I'm telling you, I'm going to go run it to see if you have any warrants or anything to see who you actually are. As of right now, I do not know.
So
who
you're
you
telling
are.
me, okay, let's just go there. What you're telling me is that you're going to use this information to identify me and see if I have any warrants.
Yes, sir.
Is that all you're going to do?
And that's it. Yes, sir.
That's it. You're not going to attempt to cite me for any transportation code. If you just want to ID me, I may agree to your terms and conditions here.
You may agree.
Okay, then I'll tell you I don't have any warrants. I'm going to give you my driver's license for the purpose of identification only, so that you can check. I'm going to agree to let you check for warrants and that kind of a thing.
So, well, why don't you just wait here until the trooper gets here also? But you can go on talking. That's fine.
So what are we doing here? Do you want my ID or not?
I need your driver's license and proof of financial responsibility. Yes.
Okay. Here you go. I see what you're saying. There you go. There you go. You can run it if you want to.
Also need your proof of financial responsibility.
In there's my bottom one. It's in an envelope. Might be this one. Let's see. This might be the current one. It expires December 16th, 2014. That one's expired. December 18th, 2014. Let's see what we got here.
2016.
Hold on. We're still going here. I think we have a winner. There you go.
All right, I'll be right there. Yes, sir, Mr. Titus. Today you're going to be receiving a citation for going 52 and a 40. It's not an admission to guilt, it's just a promise to appear and
Hey,
or
you
be
said that you were just going to
and-
use it
and or be
to
in
check
contact-
for warrants.
Are you listening
okay?
to me? And
I
or
am
be in
listening
contact
to
with
you.
the courts on the 8th of January. Like I said, it's not an admission to guilt, it's just a promise to appear. You can talk to the judge about it. Also, do you have a telephone number?
I can talk to the judge about it. I'm not giving you any information.
You're not
I'm
gonna
not
give me a
answering
telephone
any
number?
questions. I'm not giving you a telephone number.
Okay.
No, sir.
Are you going to also need you to sign this?
I will sign it under duress, yes.
Under duress?
Under duress.
You're
UD,
not
under duress.
You're not under duress.
I'm not under duress.
What's your definition of duress?
My definition of duress is against my will.
So you don't have to sign it.
I don't have to sign it.
I mean,
I'll take the citation. You can hand it to me. I don't want to sign it.
Well, sir, if you don't want to sign it, I can then stand you on it, and we can call a judge up right now and talk to him right now. That's the next step.
You know what? I'll handle this by letter through the mail with the judge.
Okay.
I will take care of this citation.
Okay.
Okay. I'll deal with the judge.
Okay. Well, sir, I need you to sign up here. Okay. Here's your insurance and driver's license back.
All right. I want you to know, Officer Morgan, as you said
Yes,
your name
sir.
was Officer Morgan. Officer Morgan, I want you to know that I do not appreciate you not allowing me to check your identity, refusing to identify
I
yourself.
identified myself as soon as I walked up to the vehicle. Here's your copy
That
of the
is
citation
not
along with the
that
judge's
is
letter.
not proper ID.
All
You
the
can
information-
say
all the
anything you
information that
want.
you need to take
The
care of,
same
that's gonna be
way.
on the back of the copy of the judge's letter along with your citation copy. Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
This guy right here is clearly a jackass. I'm willing to bet that he doesn't even show up to court.
And let's go.